So how do you remove the Samsung Wallet Quick Access? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, you might have the Samsung Wallet installed on your phone and you might have some credit cards added in there or whatever. And essentially the Quick Access means that if you are on the home screen like that, you can just swipe up from the bottom and access your credit cards for instant payments. And you can manage it when you get inside your Samsung Contact app right in here. And the point is that you might be in this mode, you are inside of the main app, just click the three dots or the side panel, but we essentially want to get to these settings. So just click on the option to go to these settings, so I can see the gear icon right there. And I want you to go to the Quick Access. And part of the Quick Access, we have the swipe up gesture, and that's probably the thing that you want to manage or change, so you can disable the swipe up from the lock screen, home screen, or when the screen is off. Or I can also change the handle transparency and so on. So you can decide to disable it altogether if you don't want the Quick Access to be there altogether. Or there is also the side button, which you can also change for the Samsung Wallet, right? So you can see right now for me it is set to quick launch camera, but you can see in the settings it might be set up to quick launch the Samsung Wallet, right? So this is all what you can manage inside in here, inside the settings of the Samsung Wallet app. So again, you get inside in here, go to the side panel settings and Quick Access, and this is where you can manage all of the stuff. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.